I've pulled a transmission filter out of a McLaren, and I found something that I have never seen before. When I drained all the fluid, not a lot came out, and it came out very, very dark. You can kind of see that all over here. It's really, really grimy. But you might also notice there's a whole lot of trash in here. I mean, the filter did its job of what it was supposed to do. I just don't know what this is or how it got here. So if we I could probably clean this off and make sure that there isn't anything. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything bonded to the seal. It's just trash, really, really dark fluid. Like it's bad. I took apart a bunch of the transmission, or at least an access to it, and the rest of it looks fine inside. But you see, as I'm pulling this off, like it almost looks like this is silicone. It's coming off of here. It really does not make any sense at all. There's no indication of how it got there. Just none of it makes sense. And there's a ton of it all through here. This, where it's crumpled up, is from pulling it out. But like, it's not like there's enormous amounts of metal or anything in here. It's gunk. So if you have any idea what this could possibly be, definitely comment below, because I don't know what this is. There's a ton of it. There are some little specks of metal in here. That's pretty normal for these. But yeah, the rest of this doesn't make sense. Car drove fine. I was just doing routine service and made this discovery.